Hello MRMG. Did you know that Amazon offers an affiliate program? If you doesn't know, this video is made for you. I hope you'll stay throughout the video and learn a method of making money. To bring you an idea about this program, let's split the program into 3 parts. First is joining the program with your Amazon shopping account. Then select a product from Amazon.com and advertise or make a review about the product. Don't forget to provide your affiliate link there. When someone places an order through your affiliate link, you'll earn advertising fee depends on the product. Okay, let's begin. Excuse me. Now, search for Amazon Associates Central. Then you'll be in this website. Now sign up with your Amazon shopping account. It's time to feed our basic details into the Account Information tab. So in this page you have to provide the details of the payee, to whom you actually want to pay. Remember that the payee name should be as same as in the bank account. Then fill up the address, city, state and PIN code. And then give your phone number. If you're creating this account for someone else, select the second option. Or else, select first option. Finally confirm whether that you're a US person or not. If you have a website or mobile app, you can just add the link here. If you don't have them, you can just add your YouTube channel's link, or any social media profile links. Now you have to create your profile, starting with creating an unique store identity. Then give a short description about your website or any alternative you listed before. Here select the topic you want to advertise. You can select more than 2 topics by using the Add button. Then select the category of products you want to list in your site. Now select the type of website or any alternative you hold. If you use your social media profile, then select them. Now select how do you drive traffic to your site. If you generate any income, then select how do you get paid. If you're new and not yet paid by any sites, then select Amazon Associates is my only monetization. Now select your preferred way to build links. Then select the total number of visitors for your site per month. Then complete the remaining 2 questions. And then type the CAPTCHA code. Finally accept the contract and click Finish. Yes, that's how simple creating an Associates account. To get paid by your Associates account, you need to fill up your tax details and bank account details in next following pages. It's easy to fill up. I hope you will do that by yourself. Actually, this is how your homepage look alike. You can see how many clicks you got, total advertising fee and lot more information. Let's see how to advertise a product. Click on this, select this browser for product. Then type the product you want to advertise. Here I am typing Assist Youth. In your search results you can see this Get Link button. Click the button. Here you have several options. If you have a website you can go with image and text format. But I'm going to select text only format so that I can get a short link. You can also check your link before adding it to your pages. So how much you get actually? Here is the list of commission rates. Pause the video and check them carefully. Hope we will meet again in the upcoming videos and learn 5 things you should never try with your Amazon Associates account. Hope you got a useful content today. If so, make sure you like, Share and subscribe to learn with RMG.